So our project here includes two components: the renovation of this TEC-SMART building and the expansion of a 14,500 square foot building that comes right next to it, that has some of the highest quality labs that have components that would meet the needs for the next 20 years.
GlobalFoundries is thrilled to be an enthusiastic and consistent partner in the Capital Region's education and workforce development effort with HVCC. Therefore, I'm pleased to announce today this leadership contribution of $500,000 that will provide support for upgrades to HVCC's existing facility for advanced training in semiconductor processing, as well as equipment that will provide essential hands-on training for the students.
And that's why this is important, because we have hundreds and thousands of young people who are looking for a great career and they want to stay in our region. So that's why this campus here in Saratoga County is so important.
We also hope that GlobalFoundries' leadership contribution to the HVCC North campaign will inspire other local businesses and organizations interested and vested in the future of the capital region to come on board and support this important capital project that will benefit all of us.